In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a whiteboard animation video in Canva. Let's start by heading over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to open up a new design. You have quite a few options to choose from when it comes to templates, so feel free to select any that catch your attention. Don't worry too much about the specifics yet, as you can customize these templates later on to suit your needs. Next, you'll need to choose the size of your template, which will depend on your end goal. For instance, are you planning to upload this video on social media, or is it for a presentation? Once you have that sorted out, it's time to add some text. Click on the text option to begin crafting your message. You might want to start with a bold title header that encapsulates the purpose of your video. Type in your desired title or text into the template. Now, let's give it some personality by selecting a font that suits your style. Canva offers an extensive selection of fonts, so have some fun experimenting with different styles until you find one that clicks. Additionally, resizing the text can make it stand out just the way you want. Simply drag to adjust to the desired size and reposition it to fit perfectly into your template. If you think your design could benefit from some imagery, click on the Elements tab or upload an image of your choice. Once added, you can adjust the size and position of the image until it's just right. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to download your creation. Click on Share, then choose PNG format for the best quality, and hit Download. This will save your work as an image, which is the format we'll need for the whiteboard animation. Moving forward, navigate over to the Apps section within Canva and type in Speed Paint. This feature is what's going to bring your image to life. Select the Speed Paint app and upload the PNG file you just downloaded. Here, you can adjust the duration for how long each part of your image is sketched or colored, giving you control over the pace of your animation. Now, let's choose a hand style to add an authentic touch to your animation. Go through the different options and choose one that you prefer. Additionally, you can select a sketch type, and whether you want it to appear with color or in black and white is entirely up to you. After finalizing these details, it's time to animate. Click on the Animate Image option and insert the results into a new page within Canva. You might want to drag the video to this new page and resize it as needed. Grab and hold the dots to change the size until you're satisfied with the visual presentation. And finally, the exciting moment has arrived. Click the play button to preview your whiteboard animation. This is your opportunity to see how all your hard work has come together into a captivating video. With these steps, you've now created your very own whiteboard animation video in Canva. Enjoy your creation and consider sharing it with others who can benefit from your masterpiece.